Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Right here we have one of our very own fresh trade-ins. This is a Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. This is a 2016. Meticulously maintained. I know the owners myself. They traded this boat in on a larger Boston Whaler Conquest, and man, did they baby this boat. Over here we have the steel blue hull side color. This is a paint color. Back here in 2016, you really didn't see a ton of these, but we got white 300 JPO engines. So that's a big upgrade right there. Hop up on the boat with me and let me show you some of the other features on the inside. Oh. All right, back to business. Livewell over here. Full down seat right there. Beneath my feet, this is a perfect combination machine for family, sandbar, overnighting, weekending, a little bit of fishing, you name it. 2 index fish boxes, access to your bilge right there. Over here we have a nice step. Reversible seat coming up here. Got some cockpit air conditioning. Joystick like we talked about earlier. We have the dual SIMRAD screens. This was a pretty pricey upgrade that the previous owner did, and he really didn't spare any expenses when optioning this boat out and really getting to enjoy it. Then of course down there we have our V-berth. We have a secondary bed area down there as well, and we have our head. So this is a perfect boat for family, fishing, overnighting, you name it. And I'd love to show you more about it. So I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Pete. This is a 2016 trade-in Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. And let's get you and your family out on the water. Bye guys.